This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Xiaomi Band 8. First, ensure your device is fully charged for about 120 minutes, then power it on. Next, download the official MyFitness application to your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your new band. Once connected, a quick swipe on the display will reveal various functions, allowing you to explore its core capabilities instantly. Your Xiaomi Band 8 excels at keeping tabs on your well-being. Swipe to find your heart rate monitor, offering real-time data, and check your activity rings for steps, distance, and calories burned. You can easily set a daily step goal of 8,000 or 10,000 steps. Furthermore, wearing it overnight provides detailed sleep analysis, helping you understand your rest quality better. Stay connected without constantly checking your phone. Your Band 8 delivers essential notifications directly to your wrist, from important calls to messages and app alerts. You can customize these in the MyFitness application to ensure only what matters most reaches you. Moreover, personalize your experience by selecting from hundreds of unique watch faces to reflect your mood or outfit. To get the most from your Xiaomi Band 8, consider a few pro tips. Expect up to 16 days of battery life with typical use, but you can extend this by managing brightness. Its 5 atmospheres water resistance means you can confidently wear it while swimming in water up to 50 meters deep. Regularly check the application for software updates to unlock new features and ensure peak performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.